Saucy Southern, put them on. Best barbecue in Colorado, no cap.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Saucy Southern, baby.
How's your day been so far, man?
Incredible. Amazing.
They haven't even started yet. You better say.
I mean, the vibes out here are just top notch. Best in the country, bro.
Located on traditional territories and ancestral homelands of the Cheyenne. Number 55, Leonard Payne Jr. see his pass complete tonight.
Sure enough.
How's everybody doing?
We gotta give a round of applause for the pick six, man. He tried to do Dad's dance, but you thought he was gonna get
I know. I was gonna extend that pick. I was just gonna like go to the side like Madden, but I was like, ah, this guy's mad and he's running pretty fast. Y'all hear me on the mic?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was close though. But at the end of the day, it's entertainment, and hey, them ticket prices was working today. So me and Shedeur just playing before. We was like, let's make it close today for the fans.
Nah, I ain't say that. I ain't say that. Nah, he capping though.
You know, we went. It's a script, you know.
So, on your interception, were you about the high step?
Prompt, I'm sorry. Had to shower and adjust the team and so forth. Great game. Played like garbage in the first half. Tried to get it right in the second half, offensively as well as giving up some wounds defensively. It didn't go well. We mixed one field goal as well. Time of possession in the first half was unbelievable. One-sided. We barely touched the ball, I think, over 9 minutes in the first half. Second half, we did some things. We showed that we were resilient. We showed that we would fight. We showed that we had no surrender or give up in us. And that's a lot for a team that's fairly new. As you say, we just got together. So I'm truly proud of our men as well as our coaches and staff, support staff, and so forth. Not happy with the way we played, but I'm happy with the win.
What an absolutely just bonkers game. Just absolutely insane. Just a phenomenal college football game for anyone who likes college football. It does not get more clutch than 98 yards with what, less than 2 minutes left? That's just peak college football. This is why we watch every week. It's 2:15 in the morning. This one's over with. Buffs are moving on to Oregon. The Oregon coach, of course, already made this week personal because of the stuff he said when CU left the Pac-12. So, honestly, I expect the same kind of game we saw today. Back and forth, down to the wire. It'll be exciting.